Good morning, Mom. Welcome to Session Hotel. How may I assist you?
Yes, good morning. I have an online booking for today under my name, Angelica Tolentino Bagao.
All right, Miss Bortal, let me see the system of the reservation. Okay, I see here that the reservation is confirmed, but the arrival date is for tomorrow, not today.
Oh, but I booked for today.
I understand and sorry for the inconvenience, Mom. May I check your booking confirmation?
Sure.
Thank you, Mom. Let me check our room availability for today for you to consider. All right, Mom, we still have available for today, so I can adjust your booking for you to check in.
Okay, thank you.
Please have one valid ID, Mom, for your verification. Which do you prefer to pay, cash or card?
Card. Here.
Thank you, Mom. So I'll just process your check-in details. All right, Ms. Budal, everything is now set. Here's your room key. You'll be staying in room 864, located at the second floor. Your check-out time is tomorrow at 1
Thank you so much for helping me.
It's truly a pleasure, Mom. Again, we apologize for the confusion and we appreciate your patience and understanding. Enjoy your stay at Session Hotel. Good morning, Mom. Welcome to Session Hotel. May I know your name, please? Good morning. I am Angelica here. I book a smoking room. But here, I would like to inform you that our hotel is not completely smoke free, so smoking is not allowed inside in the guest rooms. I will guest room. I sincerely apologize for the inconvenience. But I really wanted a smoking room. I understand, ma'am. While all rooms are non-smoking and designated smoking area. To make up your change, ma'am, I'll upgrade your room at no additional cost. Okay, that's fine. Thank you for the arrangement. You're the most welcome, ma'am. Here's your key. Enjoy your stay in Sasha Hotel. Thank you.
Good morning, ma'am. How may I assist you?
Good morning. I have a reservation under Santos.
Okay, ma'am. Let me check. I'm sorry your reservation was marked as a no-show since it wasn't guaranteed and our system released it.
But I just arrived late from travel.
Completely understand, ma'am, and I apologize for the inconvenience. We still have available rooms, and I can rebook you now at the same rate. As a courtesy, I can also upgrade your room.
That would be great. Please book me in.
Certainly, ma'am. Here's your key for room 83. Enjoy your stay.
Thank you for your help.
Welcome, ma'am. Have a good day.